Big Money Rob.
Man, how far you pounded, man?
About 400 miles.
About 400 miles?
About 400.
Man, this is a beautiful bike, man.
Appreciate it, man.
Is this one of limited edition or something that you had done?
Oh, I had it done.
Oh, because I'm seeing some satin. Yeah, okay. Yeah. That's...
Just trying to get in there, you know what I mean?
Y'all, man, you ain't trying, man. You in there, man. You in there. Yeah.
It's a good ride, too, man.
Okay, it wasn't too hot, wasn't too cold, so...
Man, a little bit of rain, but
okay.
not a big deal.
You powered through that.
Powered through it.
Okay.
3 stops, that's it. Just
Yeah.
gas and that's it.
Gas and go, yeah. How far was you getting on your miles before you decided to shut it down? Maybe you weren't familiar with the gas stop, so how far was you running before you
I waited until the
You waited for the light to come on?
Yeah, I got gas in here though too.
Oh, okay.
You know what I mean?
Okay, so when it came on, did you ever?
I got one of these for you too, man.
Oh, I don't drink beer,
You don't drink?
but we put one in the refrigerator.
Yeah,
I got a few
okay.
partners who drink. So
I got this right here.
Oh, just in case. Just in case.
You hit that, you know, going through by the prison and stuff like that.
Yeah.
You know, you never know if I'm pushing it. You know, I don't feel like stopping.
Okay.
So I gotta keep it going.
So my question is this: what was you thinking you was getting on a full taking gas?
I at least get 155.
155 a show. So at what's your average speed pushing?
I was going usually about 85.
85 in 6, and you doing the one
on cruise.
On cruise. Okay, so you gonna lock in for show 155.
Yeah.
Y'all heard that? He say locked in 155. I think I pushed one day to 168. You know, people who ride 55, you probably gonna get a little bit more out of it. I've heard these 200 numbers, but I ain't seen the 200 number on my bike. I got a 180 by accident because it was like, it was there.
Messing around, forgot.
Yeah, I messed around, forgot, and I just sat there.
Old bikes that don't give you no prompt.
Yeah, the old bike you just say,
Right, exactly.
and you are where you are.
I had an 08.
Uh-huh.
And I got this one maybe 2 weeks ago.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, man, it's a big difference.
Okay, it's a big difference. Yeah, so how you like that the M8 motor?
Way better.
Way better?
For me, I mean, it's not as much vibration.
Uh-huh.
Power's better than I had a stock 90, 96.
Uh-huh.
So power's way better.
So we looking at a 107 here?
Yeah, 107. Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm happy with the upgrades, man.
Okay.
What they did.
Y'all heard that. He said he is more better. I'm not saying shameless plug for the new Harley Davidson M8 motor, but I'm just talking to people and letting you see what I see. That's all I got to say, y'all. Where I'm at, y'all, I'm at Delta Airlines. Man, where you going?
Going back to Long Beach. Had to ride up this morning. Get the Big Money Rob treatment on a 17 Road Glide. Got a week to wait, and then I'm gonna be in the game.
We're gonna be in the game, and we might even make a deal so I deliver it back to him. We'll see how that work out, America. You know, part of that Big Money Car Stereo treatment. What size shirt you wear, bruh?
3X.
3X?
3X.
Man, you looking kind of slim. You used to be big once upon a time.
Yeah.
What?
Then you throw it in the dryer and it turns into a 2X.
Oh, y'all heard that? I rock Pro Team shirts, y'all, so you don't streak too much. I'm just letting y'all know that off the bat. But anyway, 3X it is, my man. We're going to talk during this week.
Absolutely.
Check on your Instagram, Facebook for your updates, and you'll see how we going.
Absolutely. Appreciate you.
You heard that now. We out of there. Dirt, gravel, rock that is not packed is not for Harley Davidson. As you see from the burn rubber mark getting this bike up out of here. Well, we got another 6-pack ready for pickup. A little dusty, but he'll survive. But yeah. I think you'll be very happy. Because when he showed up, only one speaker was playing. So pretty much.
You ready to roll this weed out? Like that.
We got all the bag space. Let me see something. Yeah, we got all the bag space. Disconnect right there. Same with over here. Like that. Disconnect. All the space with a little bit of bass.
I'm smoking on that kush, you smoking on that regular. You ready to roll this weed out? Take a puff and pass my bomb back. I get high.
And the whole point of this whole story is this. When you sit in your riding position, put the phone to my face. This is a riding position where my face is at.
Every day I get high. Give me some brew and I might just chill. But I'm the type that like to light another joint like Cypress Hill. I still do these spit loogies when I puff on it. I got some bucks on it.
All the way surround you. You got sound. Equal sound, that is. Money's Car Stereo. If you need something like that in your life, you know where I be. Holla back. Gotta go.
And when it comes to getting another stogie, fools all kick in like Shinobi.
Pretty nice looking bike. I see how they did the contrast with the satin. A real nice flow to it too. Real nice. My man said, hey Rob, I came from LA to the Bay. Make it do what it do. Okay. But until then, we gotta get this one out the way so he can be next up. Call this a knife bike because it's a bike that always cut me. But I got some stuff for this bike. We're gonna tape up these sharp edges so we can get it going. Replace a few things. Make it happen. Of course, they looked good, but they was too big. Way too big. Fairing won't go back on. Can't stay. All right, we out. Live and direct at Money's Car Stereo. Have to navigate this to get back in. But it's a real nice paint job we got here. My man rode all the way down from Los Angeles to come and see me. He said, Rob, I've been watching you. We've talked. I'm gonna pull the trigger and tell you to go. I was like, okay, we finna go. Money's Car Stereo, just letting you see what I see. He said he don't want to go 2.0 because he don't want the lowers on the bike. I said, all right. So we're gonna take it up to the next level, right below that, and turn him on. Let's work it out. Money's Car Stereo, let you see what I see. Loose gravel. I should say unpacked gravel. We made it happen. Live and direct at Money's Car Stereo, currently under construction. Gonna do some rework of some scenarios. You know, eliminate that, rework this. My man DR asked me a few questions. He said, Money, what it do? I said, okay, I'm gonna walk it through, show you what it do. It's gonna start over here. I think I'm finna add it and make it come to right here. I gotta check the personal account, see if we can afford that extra add-on. But it's gonna start right here. Work it all the way around the back. Oh, all this is all concrete. Work it all the way around. Add the flower bed for the missus. You know, they were telling me happy wife, happy life. So, okay, we're gonna keep everybody smiling. So work this around like that. Got this whole back half here, all concrete. Work it up the side. New fences. So that's a whole lot of concrete. But yeah. So it's gonna work around here. Down the side. Gonna keep the fence tall, just change that. Every day something's changing over here. Make it high. Run it all the way to the street with it. So keep that patch of grass right there still. Yeah, stay tuned for the rework. That's what we call it, the rework. Yeah, in progress. Can't stop, won't stop. Money's Car Stereo. I gotta get back to work. So this one's gonna get the cut. Means we're gonna take out the stock radio and we're gonna cut it. Cut the metal platform in there and put a true double din in there, which will have the Apple CarPlay and stuff like that on it. And 4 6x9s, 6.5s up front, horn tweeters, and some tweeters in the back. And that'll be the extent of it. We wanted to go 2.0, but he didn't want to commit to lowers. So we are gonna do the best we can with what we got. We're gonna amplify this joint. Money's Car Stereo. We shut down for the day because we gotta keep pushing for this concrete jump in. Push it to the limit. Gotta go. Well, it's time to go to work. Got Big George out the way. He's happy. That's a knife bike. So we're finna get on to Mr. LBC. Money's Car Stereo. Keeping it moving forward. Some people asked about a how-to, which I normally won't do, but you can't catch it when it's going fast, you can't catch it. So here's the scenario. Basically, I'm shooting about an inch apart every spot. As you see, like so. Now if you're fancy with it and you know what you're doing, you can do like so. As you see. So from here, bam. Here, bam. Here, bam. Like that. In this particular case here, there's two ways I do things. Sometimes I will go with two different type of tweeters right here. This is what we call them. I don't know what we call this setup. 1.5-ish. But from there, we're going to go with the ring. Now it's important to do this. If your bike has this, see this right here? It has to clear it. Means you got to angle this further. Same with over here. You put it here, see? It's right there. So you can't use a different type of tweeter. You use this type of tweeter. Right here. There. Put the guide hole in it first. Let me see here. Hold on. Yes!
What year is the